remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Oo, dun sa may letter sa...
Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Para sa maayos na pagbaba mula eroplano, manatili lamang sa inyong mga upuan at hintayin ang mga tagubilin para sa inyong maayos na paglabas. Sa sandaling tayo ay mabigyan ng pahintulot, ating sisimulan ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano. Bibigyang prioridad ang mga pasaherong may connecting flights. Kung kayo ay nangangailangan ng tulong, lumapit lamang sa inyong mga cabin crew at ground staff. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Philippine Airlines.